Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the machine is on and you have admin access. That's essential. Once signed in, decide which path matches the OS, Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, because commands differ. Open the terminal or command prompt now, or jump to system settings on Mac OS. Make sure remote sessions are prepared if you're working offsite. This gets you immediately into the environment where the serial is stored, so you can run the precise query without delays. Now run the platform-specific queries. On Windows, type wmic bios get serial number or use PowerShell for richer output. This reads BIOS data directly. On Mac OS, System Profiler SB hardware data type lists the serial under Hardware Overview. It reads the hardware profile. On Linux, sudo dmodecode system serial number is the most direct command, or read /sys/class/dmi/i. Finish by recording the serial in your asset system or ticket, including date and who checked it. Accuracy matters. If the serial returns blank or shows invalid characters, make sure BIOS or firmware is not locked, and retry with vendor diagnostic tools. Once verified, shut down any terminals used and secure credentials. If problems persist, update system firmware or drivers and contact manufacturer support with model and service tag. That usually resolves locked or hidden serial numbers fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.